Hi students, today we are going to see a assumption. First concept, triangles, right? Already we have completed 9 sums. Now sum number 10, right? Sum number 10. So in the first concept, by using the BPT, statement of BPT and converse of BPT, we will find or we will prove whatever they ask you to do, right? Okay, sum number 10. In the given figure, A, B, C, right? A, B and C are points on OP, OQ and OR. A, B and C points are on OP, OQ and OR respectively, such that AB is parallel to PQ. AB is parallel to PQ and AC is nothing but parallel to PR. We want to show that BC is parallel to QR. BC is parallel to QR. So now we are having that. We are having three triangles in the triangle, three triangles, right? And AB is parallel to PQ. So by using BPT, we can easily say that the ratios are equal. Same like that in the second triangle, right? POR triangle, AC is nothing but parallel to PQ. So we can say that OA by AP is equal to OC by QR, right? For these two triangle, right? For these two triangle and the side is nothing but OA by AP is nothing but common. If OA by AP is common for these two triangle, then we can say that OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR, right? OC by CR. So when the ratio OB by BQ will be equal to OC by CR, when BC, the line BC is parallel to QR. Understood? Then only we are going to do that. Okay, given O is any point within triangle PQR, AB is nothing but parallel to PQ and AC is nothing but parallel to PR, right? And to prove, what we want to prove, BC is parallel to QR, right? Construction, I'm just joining BC, join BC. Proof, in triangle POQ, right? I'm just taking this first triangle, right? Because in this triangle alone, they have given that, right? They have given that AB is nothing but parallel to PQ. The another given is nothing but AC is nothing but parallel to PR, right? So I'm just taking this, first I'm going to take this triangle and I'm going to prove by using the BPT. Next I'm going to take this triangle, right? And by using the BPT, I'm just going to say that the sides are proportional, right? So what is the common side? OA by AP, same thing only. So in triangle POQ, AB is parallel to PQ, then AB is parallel to PQ, then OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ. OA by AP is equal to OB by BQ by BP. Take it as equation number 1. Next I want to take the second triangle POR, right? POR, in triangle POR, AC is parallel to PR, right? AC is parallel to PR. So by BPT, OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. OA by AP is equal to OC by CR. Just come by the equation 1 and 2. LHS are equal. OA by AP, OA by AP. If LHS are equal, then RHS also will be equal. Therefore, OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. When OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR will be equal. When the ratios will be equal. When the ratios will be equal. When in a triangle OQR, BC is parallel to QR, right? When in triangle QOR, BC is parallel to QR, then we can say that OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR. So OB by BQ is equal to OC by CR means that therefore BC is parallel to QR by converse of BPT, right? Next sum. In figure, AB is parallel to DC. Find the value of X. Find the value of X. AB is parallel to DC. Find the value of X. So here they have given that AB, the line AB is parallel to DC, right? So this is named a quadrilateral, right? So in quadrilateral ABCD, if AB is parallel to DC, right? In the quadrilateral AB is parallel to DC, these two lines are parallel, then automatically what is the name of this shape? What is the name of this quadrilateral? It is nothing but trapezium, right? Among the four sides, if any two side is parallel, right? Any two sides are right, any two sides are parallel, right? Then it will be a trapezium, right? If the both the pairs, right? Both the pairs are parallel, then it will become a square or rectangle, right? So any one pair alone will be parallel. It is a trapezium. So here the quadrilateral ABCD is nothing but trapezium, right? Okay, by using the property, trapezium property, we are going to find the value of X. Otherwise you can go with the given In quadrilateral ABCD, AB is parallel to DC, right? AB is parallel to DC or CD. Here AO is nothing but what is it? AO is equal to 3x minus 19 and OC is nothing but x minus 5. DO is equal to, or OD is equal to 3 and OB is nothing but x minus 3, right? I have written the given. To find, we want to find the value of x. See, we are having two ways, right? We are having two ways. We can go with the two ways, right? One is nothing but by using the trapezium property. Another method is nothing but we know by using the BPT statement, because see, AB is parallel to CD. Here AB is nothing but parallel to CD. I'm just doing the construction, right? I'm just doing the construction. AB parallel to CD, parallel to EF, right? So now we are having that, what is it? We are having two triangles, right? OCA is nothing but one triangle. Another triangle I will take it as OCD, sorry, not OCA, DCA, one triangle. Second triangle I will take it as DCB, right? And by using the property, by using the statement, right, BPT statement, I will prove that this side by this side is equal to that side by that side, right? And we can substitute the values and we can do the cross multiply, we'll get the value of x, right? But it will take so many steps. But we know one property. What is the name of the property? Trapezium. In trapezium, right? See, quadrilateral ABCD is nothing but trapezium, because how I am just saying this is nothing but trapezium. Among the four sides, the two sides are parallel, right? Parallel. Then the quadrilateral ABCD is nothing but is a trapezium, right? If it is a trapezium, right, since the diagonals of a trapezium divide each other proportionally, right? Since the diagonal of a trapezium divides each other proportionally, the diagonal will diagonal of a trapezium divides each other proportionally, right? In trapezium, right, the diagonal divides in the same ratio. That is the meaning, right? So that is the property. By using that property alone, I'm just going to prove it. I'm just going to find the value of x, right? So here diagonal is nothing but AC and BD are the diagonals. AC and BD are the diagonals. So AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. AO by OC is equal to BO by OD. We know the value of AO, OC and BO, OD. Substitute and simplify, we'll get the value of x. What is the value of AO? AO is nothing but 3x minus 19 and OC is nothing but x minus 5 is equal to BO. BO is nothing but x minus 3 and OD is nothing but 3. Just do the cross multiply, just taking 3 to the LHS and x minus 5 to the RHS. So 3 into 3x minus 19. 3 into 3x minus 19 is equal to x minus 3 into x minus 5. Just multiply 3 inside. 3 into 3x, 9x. 3 into 19, 57 is equal to x into x square, x into minus 5, minus 5x. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x, minus into minus 5, plus 15. Understood? I'm just taking this 9x to the RHS, minus 57 to the RHS, plus 9x will become minus 9x. Minus 57 will become plus 57. Simplify, x square minus 5x minus 3x minus 9x. All are minus symbol. So I am adding all the three. Minus 17x plus 57 plus 15, like terms. 57 plus 15, right? Constant. So 72 is equal to 0. Now we got a quadratic equation, right? Now we got a quadratic equation by using the factorization method. I am just finding the value of multiply value and additional value. What is the multiply value? X square term. 1 into 72, 72 and additional value is in the event minus 17. So minus 9 into minus 8. Minus 9 into minus 8 is nothing but plus 72. Minus 9 minus 8 is equal to minus 17, right? Well, I'm just doing the prime factorization. What I will get it? X square minus 9x minus 8x plus 72. What is the common term? X. Just take commonly outside. X minus 9. Here what is the common term? Minus 8. Just take commonly outside. Minus 8 into x minus 9 is equal to 0. So x minus 9 into x minus 8 is equal to 0. Equating with 0. X is equal to 9 and x is equal to 8. Therefore, the values of x is equal to, right? Therefore, the values of x is equal to 9 or 8. Understood? So we are having two property, right? We are having two property. Here we know that the given quadrilateral is something but trapezium. So with the help of the trapezium property, we have find the value of x. Suppose if it is not a trapezium, right? And they are saying that it is a parallel, right? Parallel. Simply they are saying that parallel by using the BPT, right? By using the BPT statement, with the help of the BPT statement or converse of BPT statement, we want to find the value of x, right? Next, sum number 12. Question number 12. ABCD is a trapezium, right? ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC and its diagonal intersect each other at the point O. And its diagonal intersect each other at O, right? At the point O. Show that AO by BO is equal to CO divided by DO, right? So usually always we want to prove that AO by OC is equal to OB by OD alone we want to prove, right? But see here that what is that, location alone, the location alone in the different place, right? So it's very easy only while we are multiplying, right? While we are multiplying, whatever we are needed, we can shift to the LHS or we can shift to the RHS. We'll get the proof whatever it may be, right? Okay, here what is the given? ABCD is a trapezium, right? ABCD is a trapezium in which AC and BD are, right? AC and BD intersect each other at O, right? And they have given that AB is parallel to DC. And what we want to prove? We want to prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, right? So here, for our convenient, right, we need in a triangle, right? In a triangle, right? See, I'm having the trapezium. While I'm just drawing the diagonal, we got a triangles, right? But in the triangle, I need a parallel line. Then only we can apply the statement of BPT, right? Statement of BPT or statement of BPT, right? BPT. So I'm just drawing the line EF, right? I'm just constructing the line EF parallel to AB and CD, right? So EF is parallel to AB is parallel to CD. EF is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to CD, and therefore what is it? EF is also parallel to DC also, right? Okay, so why I'm just doing the construction? Understood. So I'm having, see, before drawing that this line, right, in triangle ABC, right, in triangle ABC, AB is parallel to which line? Nothing is there, right? Suppose I'm just taking this triangle BAC triangle, right? So suppose BAC, we are having any parallel lines? Nothing is there, right? So we don't have any parallel line. For that purpose alone, I'm just constructing a parallel line, right? I'm just constructing a parallel. Now you can take a triangle. Say I'm just taking the triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, EO is parallel to DC. EO is parallel to DC. I'm just taking the triangle DBC, right? DBC. Just take it. OF is parallel to DC, right? OF is parallel to DC. At the same time, you can take a triangle DAB, right? EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB. Suppose you are taking the triangle ACB, right? In triangle ACB, right? Here OF is parallel to AB, right? We are having so many chances we are getting, right? We are having so many chances. So we are having 4 triangles. Among all the 4 triangles, we are having parallel lines. So with the help of BPT, we can easily prove whatever they are asking, right? So among the 4 triangles, which triangle you are needed? You can take those triangle and you can, by using BPT, right? BPT property, you can prove whatever we are needed. Okay. Here I am taking that in triangle ABD, right? In triangle ABD, see, before proving, just listen. See, usually what we will prove as a DE by EA is equal to CF by FB, right? And the sum number 6 or 7, I think so 6th sum or 7th sum, we proved that DE by EA is equal to, what is that, CF by FB. So we need only one common diagonal for both the triangle, common diagonals, right? So with the help of the diagonal, we will prove that DE by EA is equal to CF by FB. But now what we want to prove? We want to prove that, what is that, AO by OC, right? AO by OB or whatever it may be. AO by OC is equal to BO by OD only. We want to prove that AO by. So I need a common line for both the triangles, right? So we have to choose 2 triangles. For the 2 triangles, we need a common side, right? So which side we are going to take? See, usually this side, right? Like AD or BC, we want to prove, we have taken the common side as a diagonal. Now we are going to prove the diagonals with the, right? So I'm just going to take the sides of a quadrilateral, right? I'm going to take a sides of a quadrilateral, right? Common side. So I'm just taking that, what is it? AD as a common side, right? AD as a common side. So AD, right? In triangle ABD, right? In triangle ABD, right? The diagonal BD is coming, at the same time side AD is also coming, right? Next, I am going to take the triangle ACD triangle, right? ACD triangle. Here, the next diagonal AC is also coming, and the common side AD is also coming, right? So we can, by with the help of that BPT, we can prove, right? Okay, in triangle ABD, right? In triangle ABD, EO is parallel to AB, right? In triangle ABD, EO is parallel to AB. So DE divided by EA is equal to DO divided by OB. Take it as equation number 1, right? Next, first by using this diagonal, I have find it, right? Next, I'm going to use this diagonal, right? AC diagonal and the side AD. So which triangle is coming? ACD triangle. In triangle ACD, right? In triangle ACD, OE is parallel to CD, right? OE is parallel to CD. So by using BPT, AE by ED is equal to, right, AE, or again write it, DE by EA is equal to CO by OA, right? Or whatever maybe, if you are writing AE by ED is equal to AO by OC, then once again we can reciprocate, no problem, right? So whatever we are needed, we can reciprocate, right? So yeah, I'm just taking as DE by EA. DE by EA is equal to CO by OA by BPD. Take it as equation number 2, right? Take it as equation number 2. So from equation 1 and 2, see the LHS, DE by EA is equal to DE by EA, right? So LHS are equal, just take the RHS. So DO by OB is equal to CO by OA. But what we want to prove, see the proof, what we want to prove, AO by BO, right? AO divided by BO is equal to CO by DO. But here DO by OB, see that the places are different, right? OA should in the LHS, numerator of the LHS, and DO should in the denominator of RHS, right? See the proof, to prove what we want to just exchange. How we can exchange? Just take it to the LHS and I'm just taking this DO to the RHS. So what will become? OA by OB, OA divided by OB is equal to CO divided by DO. Hence it is. Understood? So see, before proving what, right? Before proving whatever they ask you to prove, from the diagram itself you have to come to the conclusion. How we are going to prove? What are the common sides I'm going to take? How many triangles we are having for the triangle, right? For the triangle, what are the property we are needed for that? We have to draw any construction or not? Check, right? You just analyze, right? Whatever we are needed, just analyze it, and you can do all those things. We'll get the proof, right? So we'll see one more sum. Next sum number 13. Sum number 13. The diagonals of a quadrilateral, right? The diagonals of a quadrilateral ABCD intersect each other at the point O. The diagonals, see, they didn't give the diagram for this question also, and before question also they didn't give the diagram, right? So we have to draw the diagram from the question. By reading the question, we have to draw the diagram, right? So the diagonal of a quadrilateral, so first I am just drawing the quadrilateral ABCD, right? The diagonals of a quadrilateral intersect each other at O. So I am just joining AC and BD, and the intersection point is nothing but O, right? Such that what they are saying, AO divided by BO is equal to CO divided by DO. Actually, which proof same like sum number 12, right? See, sum number 12, they have given that ABCD is nothing but trapezium, and they ask you to prove that AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Here vice versa, right? Vice versa, they have given the proof AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, and ask you to prove that this ABCD is nothing but trapezium, right? This ABCD is nothing but trapezium. How we are going to prove? Same thing, right? By using the BPT property statement, we are going to prove, right? Given a quadrilateral ABCD whose diagonal AC and BD intersect each other at O, such that AO by BO, right? AO by BO is equal to CO divided by DO, right? So to prove quadrilateral ABCD is nothing but trapezium. So trapezium, what is the property? Among the four sides, any two sides will be parallel, right? So here I am just going to prove that AB is parallel to DC. If AB is parallel to DC, then ABCD is a trapezium, right? So construction, I'm just taking that EO is parallel to AB, right? I'm just drawing that EO is parallel to AB, right? For one side alone, I'm just taking, right? For one side alone, right? So now I'm having a triangle. What is the triangle? DAB, right? Or ABD. Okay, triangle DAB EO is parallel to AB. EO is parallel to AB. If EO is parallel to AB, then by BPT, DE divided by EA is equal to DO divided by OB. DE divided by EA is equal to DO divided by OB by BPT. Take it as equation number 1. And we are having already one ratio, right, in the given itself. What is the ratio? AO by BO is equal to CO by DO. Just take that. AO by BO is equal to given, right? From the given, AO by BO is equal to CO by DO, right? See that anything are equal. See, DO by OB, right? DO by OB. In equation number 1, we are having DO by OB. From the given, right, we are having DO and OB is nothing but the denominator. Just bring this DO alone LHS and just bring this AO to the RHS. Then this will become what is it? DO by OB is equal to CO by AO, right? I'm just taking this AO to the RHS, it will goes to denominator. So CO by AO. So just compare the equation 1 and 2. DO by OB, DO by OB, right? Both are equal. If these two are equal, then we can say that DE by EA is equal to CO by AO, right? DE by EA is equal to CO by OE. So when this DEA by CA, right? See, DE by EA is equal to, right, equal to CO by OA. When this will be equal? When EO is parallel to CD, right? EO is parallel to CD, right? Then only DE by EA will be equal to CO by OA, right? So therefore OE is parallel to CE or EO is parallel to DC, right? By converse of BPT, right? By converse of BPT. But already we have constructed EO is parallel to AB, right? We have constructed EO is parallel to AB. Here EO, we have proved that EO is parallel to DC, right? Therefore AB is parallel to DC or DC is parallel to AB. If DC is parallel to AB, hence ABCD is a trapezium, right? Understood? Okay. Just copy down all the 4 sums in your classwork note, right? And see, you just see all the sums once, and you can take a rough note and just write down all the 4 questions. And without saying, right? Without saying, whatever you are having doubts, please, while you are solving, please don't refer the note, right? Before writing, you just thorough. You can thorough and you can start it, right? And you can try by your own. And this is nothing but your homework, right? Thank you.